To edit captions in Canva, let's go into the create sign here and we'll pick a video document. We'll go with the landscape video. Our document is opened in the editor, and from here I'll add in a blank page. I will come to the timing of this blank page and change that into 240 seconds, which is 4 minutes. And I'm going to come to my upload tab here and go over to video, but I don't have a video. If you want to bring in a video, you can do that from here. I will come to the audio section. I want to use an audio to do this, and we'll go over to text here and scroll down a bit. You will see captions. Let's click on captions. If you click this drop down, you can see that it's only our audio that will be captioned. We'll click on generate captions. Our captions is generated because the caption color is white. I'm going to click on the background color of this blank page and change that to black. Now, to edit this caption, you want to click on anywhere the caption appeared, and once you click on that, you're going to see caption up here. When you click on caption, you begin to see each captions that appeared in your video. You want to click on each of the captions one after the other. You see each of the caption has their editing pen here. You can start to edit which part of the caption you want to. And there's comma here. There's making this a capital case. Once you do one edit, you need to click back in again and come in here. Want to make a capital case. I want to have that. We're going to check the box. You want to do that for every part of your caption you want to edit. So you click on this pen icon to edit, and you go through all your caption and edit it.